Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Today, our class English lesson. Today I will explain about using degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison mean that tingkat perbandingan. In degrees of comparison, such as descriptive, and then comparative, and then the superlative. For the descriptive, so you know that, for example, for the adjective, for example, long, panjang atau jauh, and then you know the comparative, so you can say that the longer than, and for the superlative, so you can say that the longest. Usually in the sentence for the descriptive, so someone say that we can put for as long as for the sentence, and then for the comparative, so you can say that longer than, and then for the superlative, the longest. If the sentence one or two syllable, if the sentence more than one or two syllable, so it's different. For example, importance. So for the descriptive, as important as. For the comparative, more important than. And then for the superlative, the most important. For example, we can give you example adjective. For example, short, shorter than the shortest, and then high, higher than the highest, and then expensive, more expensive than the most expensive, and then difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. And for irregular, for the irregular adjective, for example, good, better than, the best. Good for descriptive, better than for comparative, the best for superlative. Other example, bad, worse than the worst. Many or much, you can say more than for the comparative, and the for superlative, the most. That is, I give you a few example, and please make or answer 10 questions for me. Okay, please do it well, and I share the sentence or the questions in WA. Okay. Please do well. I wish today, about the degrees of comparison. That's all. Thank you. Salam sehat dari Mem. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.